This is my new bag and I love it. Let's pack my new teacher bag. Gemini Mini Convertible Backpack in the color taupe. It's got so much room. I love that it's got the padded support for my laptop. That's a 13-inch laptop. It's durable and it's got so much storage. The space provided in this bag is unreal. I've got room for all of my little teacher whatnots that I need on the daily in my classroom. If you are a teacher and you're looking for a new bag to store all of your teacher goods, then stop looking. The search is over. This is the bag that you need. Comes in so many different colors. As I said before, I got the new color taupe. It's a new take on the original color that they had. It's even got a key hook to hold your keys so you don't lose it. The side pockets hold my 32-ounce cup. What I love the most is the versatility of the strap. You can convert it to the backpack strap, or you can leave the strap long and hook it to the sides to just be a long, shorter strap. Also, the luggage part can be zipped to add an extra compartment for storage, or it can be unzipped to hold on a suitcase. You should get one too.